I hear something. It sounds different from the waves. Is that our boat?
Yes, Oliver. That's the boat. It's coming for us now.
All right, we'll step on one at a time. Hold my hand and wait for my signal.
I'm ready. I won't move until you say so.
It's steady. Come on.
It's moving under my feet. It feels strange.
That's normal. Just breathe. I've got you.
It's okay, Lucky. I'm here.
Ready for what's ahead?
Yes, I really am. I can see so far down. It's so clear. I've never seen water like this before.
Look there. Small fish.
Careful, sweetheart. Stay balanced.
They're so fast. How do they live down there all the time?
They've learned how to live with the sea, not against it.
Mom, Dad, look there. Something is moving under the water.
I see it too. Stay still for a moment.
Oh my! Dolphins! They're so close to us. Look at how smoothly they move.
They're right next to us. I can almost touch them. Are they coming to play with us?
They might be curious about us, but remember, this is their home. We are only visitors here.
Lucky likes them too. They're gone.
Yes, but the memory stays.
Is that it? Is that the cave? It looks different from anything I've ever seen.
Yes, that's the cave. You're right. It feels old, like it has been there for a very long time, watching the sea change around it.
It sounds different here. Louder, but also quiet at the same time. It's darker in here. The light feels different. Everything sounds bigger.
Yes, the cave changes the sound. But look, the walls shine a little when the light touches them.
Stay seated and move slowly. The cave is peaceful if we respect it.
It feels like we've stepped into another world.
It's okay. I'm right here. Mom, what's wrong with it? Why isn't it swimming away?
Oh no, that poor turtle. It's trapped. It can't move properly.
I see the net. It's wrapped very tight. That's why it's panicking.
It looks scared. Is it hurting a lot?
Yes, sweetheart. It's been suffering, but we're here now.
We can't leave it like this.
I know. I feel it too.
Please be careful, Dad.
I will. And you're helping too by staying calm. All right. I'm going to help. We'll move slowly. No sudden moves.
Hold on, little one, just a little longer.
Dad, did we do it? Is it really free now?
Yes, the net is gone. It just needs a moment. Sometimes after pain, even freedom feels strange.
It's moving better. It's not stuck anymore.
Look, it's looking at us.
I think it knows we helped. It's swimming away.
Yes, back where it belongs. I'm proud of both of you. Moments like this, they change us.
Mom, look at the ceiling. It looks like stars.
They do. Nature makes its own sky, even underground.
Dad, what's that sound?
Don't worry. Look carefully.
They live here. This is their home.
They're not scary. They're just resting.
Lucky, shh, we don't want to disturb them.
He understands.
Today, we learned something important. When we are quiet and kind, the world opens itself to us.
I will remember this moment for a long time.
Me too. It feels special, like a secret. It feels different now, like it's warmer.
I feel thankful for the beauty and for what we did today.
Helping someone, even a turtle, makes the world feel right.
I think the turtle will remember us.
Let's sit for a while. No rushing.
Can we stay until the sun sleeps?
Yes, sweetheart, until the sky turns quiet.
Lucky? What did you find?
Mom, Dad, look. These lines, they go all the way from the water.
These are footprints. Very big ones.
Turtle footprints.
The turtle from today?
Maybe. Or another one. Turtles often come back to the same beaches.
Can we follow them?
Yes, but we must walk softly.
Dad, what is that hole?
This is very special.
This is where a turtle laid her eggs.
Eggs? Here?
Yes. At night, the turtle comes out of the sea. She uses her back legs to dig a hole, just like this.
She lays many eggs, sometimes more than 100. Then she covers them with sand to keep them warm and safe.
So babies are sleeping under the sand?
Yes, waiting for the right time to come out.
I don't want to hurt them.
That is very kind of you.
How long do turtles live?
Some turtles live longer than people. Many can live more than 100 years.
They're older than Grandpa?
Yes, they have been swimming in the sea for a very long time.
But turtles need help. Many are hurt by nets, plastic, and boats.
Like the turtle today.
That's why saving even one turtle matters.
When we protect turtles, we protect the sea. And when we protect the sea, we protect life.
I will remember this place, and the eggs, and the turtle.
Then the day has done something good.
Mom, Dad, look, there are turtles everywhere.
It looks like the shop knows what kind of day we had.
Maybe the sea told them.
Can I get this? So I remember the turtle and the eggs.
That's a beautiful reason.
We'll take that one.
Lucky wants something too.
For a very brave dog.
He helped today. He deserves it.
This is the best souvenir ever.
Because it carries a story.
I'm so hungry.
A full day makes a full stomach.
To a good day.
And to turtles.
To learning, helping, and being together.
This pizza tastes better here.
Everything tastes better when your heart is calm.
Today gave us memories we'll never forget.
I feel tired, but in a good way. The sea sounds different at night.
Yes, it feels deeper, more serious.
And more honest.
I don't want the turtles to disappear.
Then we must protect them, all of us.
We must keep the beach clean. No plastic. No trash.
Because plastic hurts animals.
And when we respect nature, nature stays kind to us.
When nature is protected, it gives us peace, not disasters.
I will tell my friends. I will tell everyone.
Nature protects us when we protect nature.
And when we listen to the world, it teaches us how to live.
Today's story reminds us of something simple and important. When we care for nature, we care for life. Small actions like picking up trash, using less plastic, and helping animals can make a big difference. The sea gives us beauty, peace, and joy. If we protect it, it will protect us too. Be kind to nature, and nature will be kind to you.